Meaning of Footsie.
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 Footsie. The term Footsie refers to the Financial Times Stock Exchange, Footsie 100 Index, which is a market index consisting of the top 100 companies listed on the London Stock Exchange. The index is widely viewed as a barometer of the UK stock market's overall health. It measures the performance of blue-chip stocks across various industries, including finance, energy, consumer goods, and healthcare. Investors often use the Footsie as a benchmark for comparing their portfolio returns against the broader market. The index's movements are closely watched by traders, analysts, and policymakers to gain insights into the UK economy's trends.